How to change lock screen clock style on Android. In this video, I'll show you how to customize it in just a few simple steps. So let's get started. First, open the Settings app on your Android phone. Now tap Lock Screen. On some Android phones, this option may be called Wallpaper or Themes. Look for Clock Style, then tap on it. Here, you'll see different clock styles to choose from. Simply tap on the one you like best. If your phone supports it, you can also customize the color to match your wallpaper and personal style. Once you're happy with your changes, tap Apply, Done, or Save, depending on your device. Your new lock screen clock style will be applied immediately. That's it. You've successfully changed the lock screen clock style on your Android phone. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more Android how-to tutorials.